Hello, I'm Lu Ruyi, founder of Dongguan BAIYA Silicone Products Company, Limited. Join me as I show you how we carefully craft each of our products. With over 20 years in the mother and baby industry, we specialize in OEM and ODM for silicone and plastic products. We focus on in-house R&D and manufacturing, and offer diverse production capabilities to meet your needs. From high-precision silicone parts to custom pet product development, we provide end-to-end solutions for every client. Our factory is certified for ISO 9001, BSCI, FDA, and LFGB standards, and holds multiple patents, ensuring quality, safety, and innovation you can trust. Backed by these certifications and R&D strength, we ensure not only product safety and reliability, but also long-term, stable partnerships. Let me show you our molding workshop, where the core of product formation takes place. 10,000 square meters workshop with 100 plus automated molding machines. Produces 1 million pieces daily, ensuring on-time delivery. Let's step into our mold workshop, where every innovative product begins. Our mold process covers every step, from design review to trial, adjustment, and refinement, ensuring precision and perfection in every product. Quality is the core of everything we do. This is our packaging area, where every product undergoes strict quality checks before being carefully packaged. We use a fully enclosed process to ensure clean and safe products. We offer flexible packaging options tailored to client needs. Our standardized process ensures safe shipping and delivers a sense of value and confidence upon arrival. We maintain a spacious warehouse and advanced logistics system to guarantee immediate shipping. We handle both large orders and small custom projects, flexible to meet your needs. We have our own design and R&D team, ready to develop custom solutions based on your specific needs. Our design team knows both safety standards and trends in baby products. We optimize looks and function to deliver innovative, reliable, and fully customized solutions. Our design team knows both safety standards and trends in baby products. We optimize looks and function to deliver innovative, reliable, and fully customized solutions. Dongguan BAIYA Silicone looks forward to partnering with you.